Meaning of exemplar.
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 Exemplar. The word exemplar refers to a person or thing that serves as a good example or model for others to follow. It can also refer to a typical or representative example of a category or group. An exemplar is often used as a standard to measure the quality or excellence of something. For instance, a painting may be considered an exemplar of Impressionist art, while a successful entrepreneur may be seen as an exemplar of business acumen. Ultimately, an exemplar is a benchmark for comparison, providing guidance and inspiration for others to achieve greatness.